What's up guys, this is Massey. Welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show you some examples regarding dividing square roots. First example is square root of 162 x to the power of 10 y to the power of 2 divided by square root of 2 x to the power of 6 y to the power of 6. The answer will be 162 is 81 times 2, so we're going to write it root 2 times root 81 root x to the power of 10 root y to the power of 2 divided by square root of 2 square root of x to the power of 6 square root of y to the power of 6. These two cancel out. Square root of 81 is 9. X to the power of 10 divided by x to the power of 6 is going to be square root of x to the power of 4. Then y to the power of 2 divided by y to the power of 6 is y to the power of negative 4. So the answer is going to be 9x to the power of 2 y to the power of negative 2, or 9x squared divided by y to the power of 2. Next example is square root of 300 m to the power of 3 n to the power of 7 divided by square root of 3m to the power of 5 times n. The answer will be square root of 3 times square root of 100, which is 300, square root of m cubed, square root of n to the power of 7 divided by square root of 3 square root of m to the power of 5 square root of n. These two cancel out. Square root of 100 is 10. M to the power of 3 divided by m to the power of 5 is going to be square root of m to the power of negative 2, and n to the power of 7 divided by n is going to be n to the power of 6. So it's going to be 10 m to the power of negative 1 n to the power of 3, because square root of n to the power of 6 is n to the power of 3. So that will be 10 n cubed divided by m. Next example. It's going to be square root of 72 x to the power of 8 times y to the power of 6 divided by square root of 2 x to the power of 2 y to the power of 6. The answer is square root of 72 is 2 times root 36 square root of x to the power of 8 square root of 8 y to the power of 6 divided by square root of 2 square root of x to the power of 2 y to the power of 6. These two cancel out, and square root of 36 is 6. Square root of 8 to the power of x to the power of 8 divided by x to the power of 2 is going to be square root of x to the power of 6. So the square root of x to the power of 6 is going to be x to the power of 3, 6x cubed. That's the final answer. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.